Surprise, surprise. I'm gonna scream and wake everybody up if we have a real treat here. I didn't hear it, but that's a loud motor. Tell me why I had a feeling. Tell me why. That's a motor.
I recognize that button.
Hang on. There's no way, right? Okay, there's no way, but you do have the wide door jam. What's your year? Okay. Okay. Alright. Respectable. 04. I'm still here for it. Yeah, it's quieter than I thought, for sure.
I wonder if they did that because it's hotel.
That would suck. It's your call station right here, huh? I got the logo. Sorry, I tried to mega zoom there. I see Schindler, I get excited. I'm sorry. It just happens.
It's a surprise.
Yeah, I didn't actually know it was here. Ah, fuck it. We can take another ride, right? Oh, quick, what's the name of this place before I forget and have to search for it?
Country Inn by Radisson.
Country Inn by Radisson in, is it going to be Iowa City or Coralville? Coralville, Iowa. Oh shit, I was going to try to get the button to go out, but... trying to work on my videography, y'all work with me. Let me actually get a sound of it. Classic sticky buttons on the 330a. £2,100. Look, all I'm saying, man, I saw HT standard. I see this fucking width, and I shake in my boots. It's Chicagoland's fault. Okay, this time I'll actually get the button going out. I see a single jack holeless width, and I see an HT standard. I think we're obviously getting a low pitch. Not quite, but I'll take a 2004. I will gladly take a 2004. Now here's the question, were you low pitched? It's right around the time frame that they were changing it, so the world may never know. And that's it.